Milk and dairy products play an important role in a healthy, balanced diet. They are rich sources of calcium, which is easily absorbed by the body. This mineral, along with other nutrients present in dairy food, such as protein, magnesium, and phosphorus, is essential to build and maintain strong bones. In almost everything Malaysians cook and eat, dairy in one form or another, milk butter, cheese, or yogurt is used. India is the world's largest milk producer, with 22% of global production, followed by the United States of America, China, Pakistan, and Brazil. Malaysia is a relatively small dairy market, but it will see very strong growth over the next 5 years. The food fresh milk production had increased by 48.32% from 2007 to 2016, did not expand rapidly in line with the increasing market demand for dairy products due to the high growth rate of the Malaysian population. Next, the vegetarian community in Malaysia is growing, as is evident in the increasing number of vegetarian and vegan food outlets here. Besides, the result ranked Malaysia as the third most vegetarian-friendly country in the world with an index 311. We can highlight these two issues in Malaysia to be the main of the problems, so it will be an opportunity for our business by having solutions to tackle the problems.
Our company mission are to increase the fresh milk production, improve the productivity and the quality of our milk. So, we find the best solution to the problem that we face. First and foremost, to increase the milk production in our country, we've decided to partnership with some local supplier. This kind of action can increase the growth of dairy production in Malaysia. More than that, by supporting local product, we could improve our country's economy. Also, by partnership with some company, we could improve our brand recognition and gain more trust from our customer. Next, vegetarian is also known as a community who doesn't consuming animal product. And yes, we did not ignore this issue because providing product for all type of customer are one of our company's goal. To overcome this issue, we've introduced a plant-based product such as almond milk and oats milk. This product also can be consumed not only for vegan community, but also all types of generation as it has its own benefit such as boost immune system and help reduce and maintaining optional blood pressure.
So firstly, the opportunity of our dairy milk is to advance our business by offering healthier product to the market, by reduce the consumption of sugar level and make our milk product in low sugar level to improve the nutrition intake of children include all Malaysian. Next, to advance our business to the other countries which is urban and suburban in Malaysia in order to earn more profit since our products are halal. And for creating more milk production industry to help increase our economic development by allowing people to work in this industry. Next, for our target market is children, teens and young adults, pregnant mom, health concerns, which is our dairy milk provide for the eczema sufferers, and for those who has lactose intolerant. Last but not least is for bakers.
We move on to the technologies used. Here, I want to emphasize the most important part in processing milk, which are pasteurization, filling, and storing. Pasteurization is a process where that kills harmful bacteria by heating milk to a specific temperature for a set period of time. This machine, called HTSD milk pasteurizer, offers a very large capacity to process, with a capacity of 400 up to 5,000 liters per hour for drinking milk. Moreover, it also comes with alarm system with optical and acoustical signals for temperature and pressure differences to avoid mistakes in mixing substances. Secondly, filling process from processed milk into packaging. Here is the filling machine model Tetra Pak TR/G7. This machine is designed for a range of extended shelf life products, including white milk in 4 packages volumes. Whereas it is the most convenient for our products packages and production. Last but not least, the important part in milk production is the storage. In order to keep the product remain its quality and value, a cold storage room model number VSC-H11 is the best choice for us because of the features meets our requirement including air circulation, temperature and pure air. This is an opportunity of maintaining these products in their natural state for an extended period.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hadira binti Hafiz and my metric number is BABL200600231. Moving on to the competition, my dear dairy has a few competitions in the dairy market, but we only analyze the top 3 brands in the dairy products. As shown on the slide, top 3 leading company of dairy brand in Malaysia is Farm Fresh, Good Day and Dutch Lady. After analyzing the product, we identify the strengths and the weaknesses of each company. On the top level of the pyramid is Farm Fresh. Farm Fresh has the highest rank in the dairy community in Malaysia. It is a preferred choice of Malaysian because it is a local brand and owned by a Malaysian. Besides that, it has a unique packaging design and have a strong advertising strategy. Although this product has no variety of flavors and the price is quite higher compared to the other product. Next, in the middle we have Good Day. Good Day is a long-lasting brand that not just cheap but also offers a variety of flavors. Despite the facts, their milk is less creamy and its packaging design is less appealing. Lastly, on the third rank is Dutch Lady. The brand is widely known among Malaysians and they also provide variety of flavors. Despite that, their pricing is quite higher compared to the others.
For our marketing to promote our dairy milk is by television advertising, radio advertising, printed media such as newspaper, magazines and books, online advertising, social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, billboard advertising, event campaign sponsorship, and last, physical such as supermarkets and small shops. For our sales product is we divide our cows into milking and non-milking animals and keep the milking animals close to the milk collection point and feed them on storage rate. It is for keep the cow's milk in good health and disease free. Next, we organize a marketing group and set up a milk collection point, which is our company set up a collection center with our milk producers group at a convenient location. Next, arrange all members of our group to deliver their fresh milk to the collection center each morning and for the milk to pick up quickly by refrigerated truck to prevent the milks uncontaminated. Fourth, start a small processing plant, which is this make for the small scale processing plant nearby can buy our milk and also to create jobs for the community which it can serve local consumers and supply to the larger dairy in our town. Fifth is to improve feeding in the dry seasons. Sixth is to improve cows' health care, which is we keep our cows healthy and get them vaccinated and treat them promptly if they fall ill. 7 is delivery quickly. Since milk is higher perishable, especially in a hot climate, so speed is everything for the milk to get from under to dairy as fast as possible before it gets off. For our sales tactics is, firstly, we listen to our customer and buyers about the problem they faces and solve it for them to maintain our sales. Second, use social media as a one tactics to promote our dairy milk products by joining groups, connect with prospective buyers, and engage in the relevant conversations. Third, offer an upgrade incentive to our exciting customers by offering them discounts and time-sensitive product promotions. Fourth, learn a new things and try new selling tactics to make our sales become superstar and maintain growth sales by gaining industry and product knowledge to make our time selling easier. And lastly is keep in touch with our past clients since they are already loyal and trusting customer.
As shown here, This is the management team of My Dear Dairy, which was put in an organizational chart. In this company, the highest position is the Chief Executive Officer or CEO, which is held by Tuan Hamid bin Jalan. Under the command of CEO, there is Financial Manager held by Nur Hazirah, Sales Manager held by Nur Safia, Operation Manager held by Izzah Atira, Product Manager held by Nur Hadira, and Quality Manager held by Nur Ain Zakira. Under each of the managers is the senior managers, assistant managers, supervisors, and staffs.
The company has started since 2015, hence, as in 2016, My Dear Dairy has completed forming teams such as management team, operation team, finance team, and so on from skillful employees that we hired. As the time passed, the technology is a frontier on its own, continuing to evolve, grow, and reshape our world. Moreover, we are also in the era of applying 4.0 industry technologies. My Dear Dairy do the same. As in 2017, we require more programmers to work with machines, not to forget programmers in IT major to update, redesign, and do significant improvements to the website. And this continues till 2018. As My Dear Dairy's name has been growing, the teams came up with more sales to be done. As such, contact the target stores and supermarkets for wider marketing. Surprisingly, in 2020, a pandemic hits us. It slows down My Dear Dairy a bit, but somehow it doesn't affect a lot since people tend to do food and beverages businesses. Most of the products has meat in it, such as boba drinks and pastries. My Dear Dairy is not giving up, and our business has more way to go.
By overall analysis, My Dear Dairy is confident that our dairy business will provide a profitable returns and satisfactions to our customer. Besides, by having a very systematic management, surely our business will be running smoothly. We also assure that our business is able to be competitive and growing bigger. We are hoping that this application will get consideration by investors. We can conclude that this business have a big opportunity in the future. This business will also be able to stand strongly and our company will be the best and strongest even though we are new in this business field. Thank you.